Words of wisdom, music play low. Then one young lady knocked on my door. She stepped in slow in the evening light. Porch stay still in a falling night. She sit down near with a tired face, like life draw out her strength and grace. She say, Uncle Bob, me I try my best, but heavy sorrow sitting on me chest. Me tongue just still, but me spirit weak, and me smile outside when me can't speak. Me watch the world and me question pace, like me not do enough in this your place. She look on the ground then up to the sky like she want hope, but not one more like gratitude. Now be the smile you face, now be no song when you wholehearted. It is the light where the dark can't take. It is the little way still remain. Real gratitude now need no show. We can shake and tremble and still can grow. Not fake, not force, not fi please. Just one small thanks when you still can breathe. Lantern burn low and the breeze moves slow. The music stays soft like it already know. Me say, child, you not fi pretend. Some pain run deep but it still can mend. You not fi call every hurting bless. You not fi hide what's sitting on your chest. If breath still there and your soul still here, then grace still walk with you even here. Thankful I mean say all is well when body feel tired and spirit feel ill. Thankful I see in one small light and hold it close through the longest night. Gratitude now be the smile you fake, now be no song when you wholehearted. It is the light where the dark can't take. It is the liquor where still remain. Real gratitude now need no show. We can shake and tremble and still can grow. Not fake, not force, not fi please. Just one small thanks when you still can breathe. If all you have is one more breath, give thanks for that in a middle of stress. If all you have is one more day, that enough to kneel, enough to pray. One broke heart can still hold grace. One small light can still fill space. Some of the deepest praise you bring come with tears and trembling. She wipe her eyes and hold still there. Night feels soft in the air. Porch stay warm and the music kind, like peace reach where pain can't find. Before she left me speak real slow. Do not thank life for a lie, you know. Give thanks for breath, for truth, for grace, for strength.